Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location are near to the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So, you can all these photo ID and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive guests love to enjoy the surroundings and category of I enjoy your stay. Some offers are available for this hotel along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting below. If you have already visited this hotel, share your experience in the comment box. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.